Ready? Dear Mr. Penny, I have known Mr. John Lane for 13 years and I am of the opinion that he will make a very desirable member of your club. Full stop. He began work with us as a stenographer, and has risen by successive steps to the post of general manager. Full stop. He has a fine personality, and we feel that it is an honor to have him as a member of our firm. Full stop. From January until the summer, we have decided to keep our store open on Thursday nights until 9 o'clock. Full stop. It will be open every Thursday night until June, and from then on we shall close 5:30 p.m. as usual. Full stop. Within the past few years, the volume of business in the southern districts has been much larger. Full stop. In some industries, business has been better than in similar industries in the northern and eastern districts. Full stop. Such industries as cotton textiles have shown a marked increase in the past 10 years. Full stop. In my opinion, in the next 10 years there will be increases larger than those that have been already noted. Full stop. Because of the lack of rain in some of the western districts of Canada, dust storms have often occurred. Full stop. These storms have done much damage to farms and crops. Full stop. Some of the districts in the western corn belt have been affected. Full stop. Large numbers of farms have been covered in dust and it has not been possible to grow anything. Full stop. In many cases, houses have been entirely buried beneath a load of dust. Full stop.